When you think you're the coolest guy on the block and then this guy shows up. This barge coming in at 250 feet long being towed by a tugboat. This behemoth barge coming into Georgetown with its tens of thousands of tons of rock is a testament to what is happening here at Georgetown, Bahamas. These rocks are going into the Exuma Yacht Club to be added to a new break wall they're putting in. The yacht club itself is also expanding, hoping that this will bring in more people into the area and add more tourism to their economy. Victoria Harbor here at Georgetown is a large but shallow harbor. This barge had to come in at high tide. Even at high tide, you can see how much of the bottom it is turning up and disturbing. As you can see here, the barge has been anchored and the tugboat has left. The next step is going to have another boat and a crane put the rocks in place to form the break wall. This will provide the Exuma Yacht Club protection from the winds and swells, and a safe harbor for people to pull into during storms. If they're wondering why we're closer now.
No, I'm good. I'm happy. Okay? And we'll be all facing this direction soon, so we'll be further away from them. Okay, guys, we're waiting for the big storm coming up tonight. I let out more chain, and yeah, the winds are going to be picking up. So we'll be hunkered down here. Okay guys, this is the calm before the storm. I don't know if you saw that lightning over yonder. Hear any thunder or anything like that yet, but it's flashing over there, and we're expecting some pretty big winds and heavy rain. It's gonna last for over a day. We've let out 150 feet of chain. We're in about 12 feet of water. It's gonna be a rough night. I may be up all night with the engine running. If not tonight, tomorrow. Like I said, this is gonna last quite a bit. It's supposed to happen tonight at around 11 o'clock. Guys, this kind of stuff happens when we're on a boat anchored in an anchorage. I mean, weather. You know, again, realize it's Mother Nature. And there's boats all around me here. And they're anchored, and I'm relying on them not to drag their anchor, as well as me. That's my job, is to prevent it from dragging. Here we go, guys. This is what we're talking about. We're at anchor here, on watch. I don't know if you can see what I'm seeing here, but she's blowing 40. This is why we have good anchor here. All right. Here we go. Yep, I'm going out. Hold on. Turn this off. Oh, fuck. Here we go, guys. Here, take that. Here we go. Wow, that was a good one, guys. That was a good blow. Woo! Yes, sirree. Those winds over 40, and we are held nice. Engine's running, just in case I gotta make a quick getaway because somebody got loose. But no, we're all good. That was nice. That got me out of bed quick.
Can you pass me the spray soap?
Okay, this water will get us nicely cleaned off the deck here. That'll be nice. Here comes some more wind. Let me down. Starting to pour really good here. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's still happening. The wind's over 30, 25 over 30. Look at it. This is that anchor, guys. Now, now as you can see, the boat over there, it's bucking pretty good. Now all these boats are over 40 feet. They're 40 feet long pretty much. 45. I'm watching these guys and they're watching me as well. They're watching to see who's dragging and not. See, there's a guy up on deck there. Let's go down below. You gotta have 3-point contact, guys, when you're going down this companionway in this kind of weather. That's serious. You don't know, you fall down these stairs, you're gonna break something. Not good. So anyways, let's go see what Sandy's doing. Sandy, look at the stove is on a gimbal here. We're rocking. You're unsteady. I can see that.
Yep.
And because we're bucking just like that other boat. Now, what do you got cooking here?
I made some vegetable soup with leftovers.
Oh, vegetables. So let me try that.
You.
No, let me try that. Yeah. No, you got to give me some.
Gooey.
Give me some. Oh, look at this is gonna be tough. Okay. Am I gonna burn myself?
Yes.
Yum 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 yum. This is Sandy's vegetable soup. Yum. Now, that is great. Okay, here's one thing for you guys. I want to hear it. Canned corn or frozen corn? Canned peas or frozen peas? Sandy, what do you got?
Oh, the soup, there's canned corn.
Now, but what do you prefer?
Frozen. Frozen corn and frozen peas.
Okay. So, listen guys, myself, you know what, I know I'm going to get crucified for this. Guys, I know I'm going to get bashed for this. And, but you know what, I like canned peas. I like canned corn. That's just the way it is, okay? I like canned peas, I like canned corn. Sandy and I are different on this, but I want to hear it in the comments. Frozen corn, frozen peas, or canned corn and canned peas. Well, you know, let's just see if you guys, if there's anybody on Team John, because I know you guys are all Team Sandy. But anyways, the soup tastes great. Sandy, that you've done a great job with that soup. I'm gonna, while you're away now, I'm gonna get some more.
Okay, no, because you're gonna spill it all over the floor.
Wow. Now what else is in here? Tomatoes.
A can of tomatoes, cabbage, mushroom.
Cabbage, mushrooms.
Leftover rice. Bouillon.
Now guys.
Water. No, not on.
Sorry, dear. So look at, I like cabbage, eh? Yeah. I like cooked cabbage, though. It's got to be cooked.
Sorry, the water's running. I gotta get this stuff off my hands.
You know what? This is unedited. Sandy does this every time I put a video on. I mean, I'm trying to make a video. She'll turn on the water or start the vacuum. I mean, this is as real as it gets. This is what I fight with every day.
Because I'm busy.
Anyways, back to the video. Canned corn or frozen corn? Canned peas or frozen peas? Leave it in the comments below, guys. I want to hear what your what team you're on.
Okay.
We are stuck on board here too for the next couple of days. Well, since yesterday and all day today for sure. I think it's supposed to get better tomorrow. Now, Sandy is cooking. That's what she likes to do. Sandy likes to cook and vacuum. So she made these cookies and with chocolate in the middle.
Yes, chocolate icing.
Chocolate icing in the middle. And you know what? Yeah, they're good. Should I be eating them? No. Oh, what are you doing over here?
I'm making rice balls with the leftover rice and corn. I added tuna, some cheese.
Tuna. I love tuna. I love canned tuna, guys. Not the tuna that you get at the expensive restaurants. I like the 99-cent tins.
So yeah, rice balls.
Rice balls.
Yeah, and I can freeze
Do you have any that are turned out yet?
No, I just put them in.
And look at the stove. Here we are. You know, you know what? This is what drives me nuts. We're on a rocking boat, okay? And we're ready for action as far as if anything should happen or let go. And Sandy's dealing with liquid oil on a stove, on a gimbal. Are you out of your mind?
Yes, yes I am. Hence why I'm here. I'm out of my mind.
Unbelievable. Now this drives me. You know what? This you can't do that, dear. It's too dangerous. Yeah, it's too dangerous, dear. I can't have you doing this stuff like that.
Well, I've made it. So
I know you've done it now, but look at that. That's hot oil on this gimbal. So I know we're at anchor, but oh yeah, that's not good. I don't want to see anybody hurt.